Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve this problem when x square under root of x by 3 is equals to 3, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video. So x square by multiply by under root of x by 3 is equals to 3. So I'm going to multiply 3 both the sides. So the equation look like, I'll eliminate this. So x square under root of x is equals to 9. So x square under root of x, I can write x power 1 by 2 is equals to 9. So according to the rule, a power m times a power n is equals to a power m plus n. So I'm going to apply this. So x power 2 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 9. So x power 2 plus 1 by 2, if I take the LCM, so 2, 4 plus 1, that is 5 by 2. So x power 5 by 2 is equals to 9. If I multiply both the powers with 2 by 5, then 9 power 2 by 5, and I eliminate it. So x is equals to 9 power 2 by 5, or I can write it as x is equals to 9 power 1 by 5 power square. And according to the rule, that is a root b is equals to b power 1 by a. So I can write it as x is equals to 5 root 9 square. So our final answer is option number C. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. And if you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.